Yeah, welcome back to Cyber Code and AI. Do not forget to subscribe. If you are a new member, subscribe, click on the notification bell, like, share. So today we are going to look about how we create what we call a date.get a full year. Last time we have looked about what we call a date, a new date. But today we are going to look about how to create a date.get a full year in JavaScript. So let us start. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, to share to your friend. So let me change the title. We are going to create what we call a date, get a full year. Let me call this as my title, a date full year. So last time you can do this in the last time, because in the last time we never put this, but you can put year, you can put January, you can put anything here. If you don't put anything, it produces the current date time. Like this, it can produce the current date time. We have seen that in the previous lesson, but today we are going to look about the function called a date get function. So from this function where we did constant date, if you never seen this video, go back and look this video where there is a new date in JavaScript, such that you can see it, you learn, you know how to do this in JavaScript. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create here from the previous code, I'm going to create what we call a constant year. Now we call this a year equals date dot get a full year, get a full. So here you put capital letter. So you need to understand this in JavaScript. Whenever you have a long string like this, for example, another word, you need to begin with a big capital letter. So like this, get a full year. You have seen even a year, it is in a capital letter. So we call this, then we put a comma. Now we are going to, instead of writing like a document dot write as in the previous code, we are going to do this. We are going to write like document. Do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to follow us. Document dot get element by ID. You write element by ID. I'm going to explain this. Document by ID. So document by ID. Now what we need, we never declared, we are going to pass something here. I'm going to show you what we are going to pass, something like here. But let me first leave like this. Let me put double quotes such that you can remember that here there is something that must go. So now I do dot inner, you see, inner HTML, whatever HTML equals here. This here, now you call this function. You see this function, now you call it here. This one constant here. Now we say that document.get element by ID goes to year. Then you write a year like this, then you put comma. So doing this, now what I'm going to do here we must put what we call a demo. So before here I'm going to write a paragraph here up to the script level like this, a P. When you write a paragraph, this means a paragraph. The year is, then I want to do maybe span. This is HTML tags, if you know it, equals a year span ID equal to. Now I'm going to put, let me use demo, because sometimes they use demo, but demo. Then I cross the span like this, span. Follow what I'm doing. So if I cross the span down, now what I'm going to do, I want to print this message like this, that the year is. So to print this message, the year is, because it's going to produce this, it's going to get the current year. Now I need to put here this function, like this ID. You see this one, element ID demo. So I passed it here, then let me put the demo like this. So when I run this code, you see the year is 2025 minutes. So I don't know where we get the minutes, but it's suppose we don't have minutes there. Hey, we have here minutes down. I understand now, because we have some words. So you see here, the year is 2025. This is what we call a date.get full year method. So another time you can use what we call .get month method. You know, it also doesn't change. Just what you need to use here, instead of year for the month, you put month here. Then instead of date, get year, full year, here you path it with a month. It is easy. This is how JavaScript is easy. You put it a month like this, a month like this. Now it's going to print. Then you pass it here, that document.element inner. Here you put a month like this. So now if you click here, run, you see now the year is. So why we get the year? Because it is the same information we have there, but here you can change the month is. You get, if you click here, run, you see the month is 7. That is how we get the month. So try it. Do not forget to subscribe, also to watch another videos, share, follow us, you know, click on the notification bell. You can also use what we call date method, get day. So try on get hours, try on get minutes, try on get seconds, try on. It is the same method. It is the same method. Try and put here hours, put here get seconds. Just you put seconds, yeah, minutes, anything you change here. Try on, because when you practice you master. Another thing, you can also use ChatGPT to help you to understand this better, because now AI can also help you to understand this better. As long as you can understand this, it is also easy to understand how to use AI, because most of people, they are new to how to program these codes. So if you want to learn this, you need also to master the basics, the foundation, how to do this, how to write this, how you understand this. So now we have talked about get a full year, get a month. Now go on, write get minutes, add your get hours, get seconds, get milliseconds. You try on get time, given date. So try on, you will see. Because this is for mainly for beginners, totally people who doesn't know how to code. This is for beginners.